Hello everyone, welcome to Lab 10. Today we'll learn how to set up VirtualBox on Windows 10 and 11. I am using Windows 11, but these steps will help you both Windows 10 and 11 users. So now what is VirtualBox? A virtualization software such as VirtualBox lets you run several operating systems such as Windows, Linux, Mac operating system simultaneously on single physical machine. Virtual machine provide platform where you can install and run different operating system as if they are running on separate physical components. So let me show you the picture in the background. So after we complete download and install the VirtualBox, our coming lab we have to deal with the Windows Linux server. So if you are using only one operating system, it's very hard to do all our coming lab, because we have to interact with the different operating system. So that is a main reason we are going to use the virtual machine. So if we use the VirtualBox, and if we are able to install multiple operating system, and then we can interact with each other. And if let's say is one of the operating system doesn't work, then we can reinstall without interrupt any Windows setting. So it is very safe to use, and the VirtualBox also is free. Okay, so before we download the VirtualBox, we have to follow some prerequisites for our Windows 10, 11, and 11. So this is the steps. I will provide these steps in the description, so you can have it look. So for Windows 11 user, so first you have to click on Start button. So this is for Windows 11 Start button, and then you have to type turn Windows feature 1 off. So I'm going to just copy. And let me put it aside. So it will give you the option turn Windows feature 1 and off. And then you will get one pop-up Windows feature. So we download this one. So in the Windows feature window, click check the box for virtual machine. So I have to go scroll down. So virtual machine platform, right? So I have to check a checkbox this one. So in the Windows feature window, check the box virtual machine platform and uncheck the Windows Hypervisor. So I already have a check mark for the virtual machine, and uncheck the next checkbox, which is Windows Hypervisor Platform. So you have to uncheck this one. Okay. After that, just click OK. So I already done before, so that's why it set it up. So we done with step number 1. And for Windows 11, this is the additional steps, right? So this for step number 1 for both 10 and 11, and step 2 is only for Windows 11 user. So I have to click on Start button, then type core isolation app, right? So again, it will open on window core isolation apps. So this is the core isolation apps. So what do you have to do? You see the set memory integrity to off. So this is the memory integrity right now. For me is off. Maybe for you, if it is on, you have to turn it off. And then if you turn off, it will get one of the Windows warning. So you have to accept that. Okay. So I already turned it off, so I don't have to do anything. So we're done step number 2. Now step number 3 again is for both 10 and 11. So now click Start button. I don't have to click Start in the search box. I have to search. I have to open this command prompt. Okay. So you can type CMD. So you have to type CMD, CMD, and then right click on the command prompt and run as administrator. And you have to click yes. So right click on the command prompt and right click on the command prompt and run as administrator, and I have to click yes. And after that, this command prompt window will be displayed. Now we have to run few comments. Let me put it here. So I will give you this comment in the description, so you can just copy paste. So copy and enter. So the operation completed successfully, and then we have to do this on DSM online. So copy, and this will throw an error. Okay, looks like it didn't copy. So let me copy again. Okay, enter. So it give you some kind of error. This is the expected. Now, yeah, you have to shut down your PC to reboot. Okay, so copy, and if you this one, you have to like write shutdown -s-t, then 2, and then after 30 seconds, your Windows will be restart. So that is the normal process. I already done this part, so I'm not going to do it, but you have to do it. Okay, so this is the prerequisite to download VirtualBox. Okay, after you're done, you have to open the Chrome browser, and let me open another window. And let me copy the VirtualBox link, official site there. So Control V. So you will be landing this page. Then you have to click on Windows Host. So you have to click on Windows Host, and then select the download folder, click Save. So now it will be download in the download folder. So now what you have to do, you have to open the download folder. To go to the download folder, and then double click to double click on it. You see, double click. Then it will give you the user account controller warning. So you have to click yes. You have to click yes. And after that, the setup wizard, I already give you all the instruction here, right? Setup wizard right now in this right now on the setup wizard window. Click next. Then you will be on the custom setup window. Click next. Leave everything default, and then warning network interface. Then click yes. Then select missing dependency and click yes to continue. And after that, you just have to install. So now it will take a few seconds to install. So now you see the checkbox. If you check this checkbox and click finish, the virtual machine should be open automatically. So click finish. And you see virtual machine is open successfully. Okay, so now so since let me delete this one. Okay, so you will have blank like this. So you will not have any virtual machine yet. So after you successfully complete, you will have this window. Okay, so now the next important steps is the update VirtualBox extension. Again, let me open the VirtualBox. So I already give you the link here. So it will give you this link. So now you have to scroll down, and you have to install this extension. It's VirtualBox, right? So you have to click all support platform, and then it will be in the download folder. Click save. I'm going to open the download folder again. Now double click. I already have it, so that's why it's give me warning that you already have it. For you, it will be in. You have to install. Okay, so I can say reinstall. Then scroll down and click I agree. So everything will be in the background. It will be downloading. Okay? So that is how you download and install VirtualBox in Windows 10 and 11. So make sure these steps you cannot ignore because in coming lab we will use one of the virtual machine, Linux called Kali Linux. We will use the Windows server. So these steps you must complete before you install the VirtualBox. Okay, thank you.